Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, please consider subscribing, and thank you for stopping by. For the returning subscribers, I really appreciate your support. So in today's video, I'll be making akara, kosai as we call in the north, or beans cake, or whatever you call it in your place. So I have chopped onions, I have some red bell pepper, I have 2 cloves of garlic, green pepper, green onion, sorry, and then my beans. Then I have my seasoning cube. In a blender, I'm going to go in with my vegetables first, then I'll add in the beans on it, then I'll add enough water to blend, not too much, just a little bit, as you can see on the screen, so that it's not too watery, because it's going to not come out well. I'll blend that first batch. Once it is blended, I will go ahead and add the remaining one. Have you subscribed to my channel? Yes, please do subscribe. And then once it is smooth, I'm going to go ahead and add it in a big enough bowl. Go in with the seasoning, which is salt and aroma. You can add crayfish or anything else that you want to add, okay? But this is what I'm adding. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to leave me a comment, like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't, so that we'll grow this channel. Okay, we have a lot of goodies in this channel for you. Now I'm going to mix this very well. You want to keep mixing it, and then at this point I'm testing for salt or any adjustment of seasoning, because you don't want something that is not tasty, you won't like it. While this is going on, my oil is heating up, and once it is heated up, I'm just going to scoop a little bit of that and put it in. If it boils, if you just start frying it immediately, that means the oil is hot. If it comes up just immediately that way, then yeah, I'll go ahead and put the remaining ones, just enough to cover the space. You don't want to put too much. And then I'll fry this until it's golden brown on the other side. Then I'll flip it over to another side, so that it is properly cooked on both sides until it's golden brown. Okay, just look at how good that looks. And once it is ready, in my already prepared parchment paper and the draining bowl, I'll just go ahead and add it in there, so that it will soak up the excess oil. Then I will repeat the process, and once it is ready, I'm going to take everything out. Just a quick reminder, just don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and give me a thumbs up. Just look at how delicious this akara look. You can have this with pap, you can have it with tea, you can have it with bread, and anything you want to have it with. You can have it just the way it is, and it's going to be all good, because you know, it's just, you can have it as a snack. I mean, it's just something that is so delicious. And I mean, look at how good it looks from the inside. It's crunchy on the outside, and then so soft and moist on the inside. That's what you want to have. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. And until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.